Good morning, guys! So, for today's vlog, it is afternoon already. I think it is 1:13 p.m. So, ngayon lang kami natapos maligo with my little pumpkin. And then, timing, guys. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! And then, timing siya, guys. Dumating yung parcel ko from Lazada. It's hanging rack for this little baby. This is for you. So, unbox natin, guys. And, assemble na din natin para magamit na natin as soon as possible. So, let's do it. I think we need scissor for this. Yeah. Okay. I'll go get scissor first, okay? Okay. Let's open it, guys.
Let's go open it.
Yay! Are you ready? Yeah. I think this is fine. Yeah. So guys, meron siyang part na open but I think that's okay kasi this part right here is malaki siya kesa dito na part. So, as long as complete po yung parcel sa loob, then that's fine with me. I don't have problem with it. Ang laki nito, guys, as in, yung kinuha ko pala is yung pinakamalaking bamboo hanging rack. So, para sa mga dresses ng aking baby girl. Wow! Are you excited? Okay, let's grab it here first. Okay. Right here. Sana guys, maganda to. First time kong umorder nito from Lazada kasi nakita ko siya. Perfect siya for hanging dresses, lalo sa mga baby, sa mga kids nyo guys, for hanging. Wala siyang cover but, you know, very aesthetic to guys. But, I've seen it already! Oh my gosh, it's so pretty! Okay, hold on. Madali lang to guys, i-assemble. Oh my gosh, I'm not sure kung kompleto ako ng mga gamit like screw, but I think meron. Let's see, tingnan natin yan mamaya.
Where's the dress?
No, your dress is inside the room. Oh my gosh, ang ganda! Ooh! Oh my gosh! May nakita na ako. Excuse me, anak.
What's that?
Are you excited?
Yeah, what's that?
Huh?
What's that?
Oh my gosh! Ang laki niya, guys! Tingnan nyo. Oh! Yeah, this is like a ladder, but this is not a ladder, okay? Yeah, this is for your clothes. Oh my gosh, pumpkin! Grabe guys, ang taas, ang laki, ang ganda. So, color brown pala yung napili ko, guys. Para sa ganito. Oh my gosh. Paano ba to? Sana kumpleto to. Nakakaloka pag hindi to kumpleto talaga. Ay, naku. Ayan. So, yun yung hinahanap ko, guys. Itong mga screw talaga yung gusto kong magiging kumpleto talaga. Dahil hindi to ma-assemble, hindi natin to ma-assemble na ma-assemble kapag wala to, guys. So, malaki pala siya. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't wait. I can't wait. Grabe, guys. Grabe. Sobrang ganda nito. What's that? Oh, okay. Meron tayo nito para hindi tayo mahirapan pag-assemble. I think we have to put away this one first. Okay, hold on. We have to put it outside, okay? Okay, are you gonna help mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Okay, don't touch anything there first, okay? Ang ganda, guys. Grabe, ang laki. Ouch.
I
Hi, guys! So, na-set up, tapos na natin ma-assemble yung ating, yeah! So, na-assemble na siya and nalagay ko na din siya sa room. And ito na yung kanyang itsura. Let's see. So, ipapakita ko lang guys kung ano yung itsura niya. So, from here, so yung length niya is 190 centimeter and then yung height niya is 140 centimeter and then yung width is 40 centimeter. So, sobrang taas ng 190 centimeter. So, from there going there. So, ang ganda, very durable for sure. Like for me, first buyer, this is a good purchase for sure. Like for me, ang ganda niya guys. Tingnan nyo. Oh my gosh. Sobrang ganda. Aliw na aliw ako dito guys. I'm super duper excited. Gusto ko na siyang lagyan ng mga damit. But later on, lagay natin lahat dyan. Let's see kung anong pwedeng malagay sa ibabaw. Right here. So, yan. Yay! What are you doing?
I'm doing makeup.
Makeup again?
Yeah.
Everyday makeup?
Yeah, don't do my makeup.
Do you want to say hi to the guys?
No, don't do my makeup. Don't do my makeup. Don't do my makeup, guys.
Wow! What did you put in your face? Yan guys, makeup is life. Ang init, grabe. And yung gagawin ko naman ngayon is, I will try to put on all the clothes para yung ating room is malinis na yan kasi sobrang messy. And yeah, I'm ready guys. I'm very excited. I can't wait to put on all the clothes. What are you doing? Oh my gosh. You're so pretty girl. Oh, princess. Oh my gosh. Where did you learn that?
I learn my makeup.
Your makeup? Where did you learn it?
I learn my makeup.
Okay guys, I'm gonna show you later. Siguro ipapakita ko na yung buong details. Buong details, yes. Pag nilagay ko na lahat ng mga clothes, so ipapakita ko na siya guys.
I need to do my makeup.
I know, you do your makeup. So, see you later.
I'm fairy.
Wow, are you a fairy? Here. No, don't do that. No, it's not like that.
Look at me, my shoulder.
Are you a fairy?
Look at my shoulder.
I know it's a.
Shoulder like mommy.
Mm-hmm. Like your. Wow, that's so pretty, princess. Aww. You're my fairy princess. Wow, you're so pretty. Oh, I like it. There, just there. Philippines. Yana, Asha, Philippines. Whoa, and turn, turn, Philippines, turn, operate. Philippines, pretty Philippines. Wow, Philippines. What? Ay, naku, yung bata ko, guys. Gusto niya mag-fairy-fairy ng damit, kaya yan yung sinuot niya ngayon. Oh, princess. Yan yung gusto niya, guys. Oh. Yung ganyang mga damitan. Mommy, are you doing your makeup again? Makeup again? Oh no.
I'm doing my makeup.
Wow, so pretty. Alright? You are so pretty. Oh my gosh.
I'm done.
Pretty baby. Hi guys! I'm back. So, it is 7 p.m. already. Gabi na guys. And I am so happy na nagawa ko lahat ng gusto kong gawin today. And sobrang productive guys. So, I'm super duper happy. As in, super happy. Kasi nga, lahat ng mga damit ng baby ko, na-put away ko na siya, na-arrange ko na siya lahat, nilagay ko na siya sa mga lalagyan kung saan ko gusto siyang ilagay, and yung mga dress niya, especially guys, of course. Natapos tayo today ng bonggang-bongga. Oh my gosh! You wanna say hi to the guys?
Hi! Today my birthday. It's I dress today and I have my makeup here.
Wow! So, kanina pa yan siya guys. Tawag ng tawag sa akin while I was very busy. Kasi sabi niya, gusto niya tingnan ko siya while nagme-makeup. So, sabi ko, just wait a minute, you know, just do whatever you want because mommy is busy. So, yun lang yung bata natin guys, yung batang gala ko dito sa bahay, laro lang siya while I was working. So I'm very okay, I'm very happy, like super duper happy dahil nagawa ko nga lahat. And bukas alam ko na mild lang yung araw ko kasi alam ko naman na nagawa ko na lahat today. So yay! I was super duper happy today guys dahil nga dumating yung pinakahintay ko na yung bamboo rack nga na hinihintay ko guys, and it's been like 13 days na guys bago siya dumating. So medyo matagal-tagal talaga yung duration ng paghihintay ko, but then again worth it. And pagkadating inopen ko siya, and then I was so happy na complete and walang kulang, like wala akong pinoproblema, and sobra-sobra nga yung mga bolt na pinadala nila sa akin, and which is a really good purchase for me. Super, very recommendable ko siya guys. So, yay! So, I'm so happy, and gabi na, matulog na tayo. And yeah, I'm super happy today, and thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching the video.
Yeah.
And join your show. Bye!
So guys, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking videos. See you guys on my next one. Bye!